Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
How are you?
I'm good.
How are you?
Good.
How are you?
Good.
Do you speak English?
A little.
Do you speak English?
A little.
Are you American?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Sarah. What's yours?
David.
You speak English very well.
Thank you.
Do you know what time it is?
Sure, it's 5 p.m.
What did you say?
I said it's 5 p.m.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Excuse me, are you American?
No.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?
Three months.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student.
How about you?
I'm a student too.
David, this is my friend Mrs. Sarah.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Mrs. Sarah, what do you do for work?
I'm a doctor.
Where do you work?
New York University. Hospital in New York City.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
Where?
At a high school in California.
That's nice.
How old are you?
I'm 35.
David, do you know how to speak English?
Yes.
Where did you learn?
I learned in college.
You speak really well.
Thank you.
How long have you been in the USA?
Three weeks.
Is your wife with you?
Yes, she just got here yesterday.
Have you been to California before?
No, I've never been there.
Have you ever been to Las Vegas?
Yes. I went there once on a business trip.
Do you want something to drink?
David, would you like something to eat?
No, I'm full.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some coffee.
Sorry, I don't have any coffee.
That's okay.
I'll have a glass of water.
A small glass or a big one?
Small, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
David, where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
I need to buy something.
Really? I need to go to the store too.
Would you like to come with me?
Yeah, let's go together.
Would you like to go now or later?
Now.
Okay, let's go.
Should we walk?
No, it's too far.
Let's drive.
Are you there yet?
Yes, I just got off the subway, I'm almost there.
Sorry, I'm late.
That's no problem, I just wanted to tell you I'm inside.
Where are you?
On the second floor.
Should I come to the second floor or do you want to come to the first floor?
Come upstairs.
Okay, what are you doing there?
Just looking at some books on how to learn